Welcome to AJ Factory Flow. Are the manifests ready for the trucks?
Start loading the carts now.
Heading out with the first shipment.
Keep coming back slow.
All right, she's docked. Clear the doors.
Bricks levels look good. Clear for blending. Confirmed. Starting transfer.
Tank 8 flow rate is stable at 15,000 liters.
Confirmed. Pressure levels look good.
Adjusting valve 4 for the next batch. The temperature stabilization is still running slightly hot on line 2.
I am adjusting the cooling cycle parameters now.
From sun-ripened guavas in the orchard to refreshing juice on store shelves, millions of packages are produced every day through precision, technology, and dedication. Seals look good? Ready to lock it up. Confirmed. Get the latch secured.
Guava is on sale this week.
I know, but this one is also buy one, get one free.
Oh, perfect. Let's get this one then.
From carefully selected orchard fresh guavas, to millions of refreshing juice packages enjoyed around the world, every bottle reflects quality,